Hello viewers, my name is Ebele the Flutist. Welcome to Music Flute Training Class with Ebele. Today we are going to be going further from where we stopped last time. We are going to be taking ways to make sounds in music. Let's go. In this section we are going to be dealing with the ways to produce sounds in music. I talked to you last time about music, the combination of sounds in a manner that is agreeable to ears. Now, what are the ways that you make sounds in music? Because we have different kinds of interpretation of making sounds. And that's why you have different kinds of music sounds today. We have the jazz, for example, we have the blues, we have the soul, we have the inspiration, we have different kinds of they call these different genres of music. But you see, the truth about the different genres of music are the different production of sounds. The first way to bring out a sound is on stimulation. You stimulate, like, you get an listening, oh, I brought out the sound. Do you get the point? So the different kinds of production of sounds brings about the different kinds of production of music. The second way is vibration. Third way is resonation. Then the D, interpretation. Let's talk about stimulation first. Make something to move. Stimulate something to produce. Now let's move on to vibration. This is another way to produce sounds. There are different kinds of people. We have different kinds of voices. You hear me sing now, you say you like my own voice. Somebody can come, our voice is you can have a voice that has to be not be one kind. Who told you one that should be one kind? You know that as and there is no voice, no matter the kind of voice the person has, that the person cannot really use to produce music. In the flute mouthpiece, this is called the embouchure hole. The embouchure hole is where the sound comes in and produces a sound. We have this on woodwind instruments. We have trumpet, clarinets, we have a saxophone. The kind of way they produce sounds are different. In trumpet, for example, you blow like you blow in here. In saxophone, almost the same thing. But in flute, you tip. If I blow here, this is what you'll be hearing. Because in flute, you don't blow. In flute, you tip. You put your tongue like this. And then you make the hair from in between your lips. That's the only way you can produce sound in flute. That's how complex the instrument is. Now see. Resonation is producing a sound for a long period of time. If I say do, I want to make it sound very clear. I want to now do the resonation of that sound. I said do. Interpretation is like exactly the way it is. When you learn to imitate someone and you want to imitate the sound of another person. Hello? Are you guys with me? That's the last part I want to talk about. You want to learn to imitate someone, you want to imitate the person exactly the way it is. You can learn imitation. You can learn how to produce somebody. So I want to give you a piece with my flute, that particular one I played, that I sang just now.